These people, they really try, Sha. You understand? This one will be that way. They will say JESVS. This one they will count from 10. You understand? Reach the number of picky way you want get. The number of the picky way you want get. Now you go from cut the cake. This one will be down there. Say JESVS Jesus. Then before you now cut. No. This one you go wait until that time where the number of the children you won't get. And you will take cut up. Okay, I bring down the video. Just enjoy yourself. This cake now very big cake. Because these people really try. Please comment, share, and give them a good like.
Feel free to cut the cake. Share. Don't remove your hand. Don't remove your hand. When you get to the number of children you want, if I start at 10, you want 10 children, cut it. Moses, resist the temptation to put your hand below her hand. I can see you trying to stop her from cutting it at 10. No, put your hand above. She will cut it when she wants to cut it. All right? All right, let's